I'm making this video to complain about the new motorbike I purchased from Minglong Motors 2 weeks ago. The main problem is that the start motor failed yesterday. The bike simply won't start now. I immediately called the dealership service center this morning. Report ensure they confirm the problem is under warranty and arrange to send a mechanic to my location tomorrow for a repair. I feel relaxed and was complete suffused with their from support, and I really on the bike daily for commute.